Hi, I'm Bart Dingler. I'm with the City of Lakeville Street Department and I work in the sign shop. So the sign truck's major function is to install new signs, replace broken signs. So in a day, we could probably on a good day replace 10 to 15. And then within a year, we're averaging about 400 to 550. We replace them for a number of reasons. Number one, when we have a hard winter with ice and a lot of snow, they do get hit by cars and get bent. So we do fix all of those. And then when we do new neighborhoods, we'll put new signs in. And then when they redo the streets, they'll get new signs and new posts. So the reason we do a lot of the replacement, number one, is for aesthetics. It looks better when they're all nice and straight. And number two, if you can see the signs, it's much more safe. The citizens will know they're there, and it pretty much just keeps everything safe. When we're working on the street, it's kind of like the same as when there's a police officer or a fire truck or an ambulance. Please slow down to below the speed limit, and if you can move over, just move over. All our trucks have lights on them, and we all wear high visibility vests.